To play video on iPhone with VLC Player, the first step you need to take is to install the VLC Player, alright, which I have here already installed on my iPhone. After that, the next step you need to take is to get to the Photos app, which is probably where the video you want to play is saved. So I will tap on mine. On this Photos app, you need to long press on the video you want to play. On pressing on that, select share. On this page, you need to drag up. On dragging up, you will see save to files as one of the options. Tap on it. You will see the name of the file at the bottom. You can rename it for easy identification. Let me tap there and call this, let's say, VLC guide. Alright. So after naming the video for easy identification, tap on save. On tapping on save, that video is now saved in the files folder of your iPhone. Let's get to home. The next step is to get to the VLC player and tap on it. As the VLC player opens, you may find yourself on the video tab or any of the tabs at the bottom part. Tap on browse. On tapping on browse, you will see some options. Tap on local files. On tapping on local files, VLC folder A will be selected, which is created on your iPhone immediately you installed the application. Alright, the VLC application. Tap on that VLC folder. Select on my iPhone. This will give you access to the files including videos that are on my iPhone location. So scroll until you get to the video. And you can see the video here named VLC guide. In this case, tap on the video. On tapping on the video file, tap on open, which is at the top right. This is how to. So this plays the video immediately it opens. If this video helps, consider subscribing, hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you and see you some other time.